Hey guys, this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So we're going to do NASDAQ, US30, gold, Euro USD, and oil. So if you want my contacts, check here on the intro. Here are my contacts. Then it's where you can just find me. So let's see. Uh, let's start with NASDAQ. I hope you had a very nice weekend. So let's see what we can get. Let's start with Nasdaq. It seems from my right hand side here, you can see it's like everything is trying to sell off. Everything is just going down. From here, just look here. Everything's just red. So let's see what's really happening. It's still Monday. So let's see what we can get. So here it's a it's a 4 hour time frame, guys. Please, guys, we are on a road to reach like 1000 subscribers, which is not that big, but for me, I really appreciate that, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So on a 4 hour time frame, you can see that the market is really high, even if we have some very nice support here. So but what we can do is we have to understand that even though we have something like a support here, but remember we are at the top, we are at the resistance actually. So even if the market is just moving up like that, we have to know that okay, if we look at maybe from a distance, you can see that this thing is like really high. You can see that. So I just want to zoom out so that you can see. You see what I'm talking about here. So from there, you can see that, okay, even if maybe we had some nice maybe positions around that area, but we still have a very strong support here. So since the market went up like that, just expect the market to come down. I'm not saying now, but mostly the market when it's going like this, like strong trending like this, next we will see the market selling off. So don't get surprised when the market is selling off. Actually, the market is overbought at the moment, even if we are on a very nice uptrend, you see. So what can we expect from here? We're not going to like guess just because maybe we say it's on uptrend. We're still going to draw our things, you see. So what we're going to do here, let me just use a bit smaller time frame because it's like I'm just zooming in and out. Yeah, you see. So here it's a 2 hour time frame. Since you saw everything, I want a very nice scale, something like this, you see. So from this, maybe we can draw our resistance like that. Yeah, we can draw our resistance like that and say, look, we have a resistance like this. So, but I think we also had something like this. Yeah, but that is just an inner trend line, which if maybe if we want to keep buying. So we had something like this. Something like this here. So the market was the time the market reached this area, the market pushed and broke this area, and now it's trying to retest. Maybe we will see another push before the market going lower, or maybe the market will just go lower. We don't know that, but at the moment, since we broke this support here, I mean sorry, resistance, it means the market can push higher. So it means you should just wait and see what will really happen around that. But I think the market will definitely push high because we had a very nice resistance, then it's broken. This is a retest, then we can see the market pushing higher. So don't forget that it's Monday. Actually, the market can be very slow or maybe consolidating because it's still Monday. So actually Monday for me, I don't think it's a very good day to trade. So it's a good day just to just go through your charts, try to analyze. Then tomorrow or later on, when the market really respect whatever that you have drawn, it's where you can take the decisions. But at the moment, it's just a good time just to go there on your chart, just try to draw, make sure everything is in place. Then tomorrow you no longer draw so many things, everything is there. So if the market really respect exactly what you've drawn, then you just enter wherever where you enter, you apply your risk management, whatever, as long as it does respect whatever that you drawn there. You see. So at the moment, what do we see? We see that okay, we are still on a very nice uptrend, but we've broken this resistance. We can see the market going higher. If not, we will see the market going low and maybe come back and respect this zone here. But remember, this is overbought. It's possible that if the market sells off, we can even break this area and go lower to our support. The support that I've shown you on the first time I showed the video. So we might reach that area. It's way too possible. So we must also think about that. You see, but it's really far. It's like very far. So but everything's possible. The market is possible that it can reach like 14,000 or even maybe 3,000. We don't know because this is overbought, but maybe we can still see the market pushing higher as long as the market is still respecting this. We don't have any issue. When the market reaches here, if it breaks, we already know, okay, maybe the market is going to reach this area. Those who like to sell can still sell the market going lower, you see. So thanks. Let's go straight to US30. US30, the structure is very perfect. I just saw the structure was very straightforward. Let's see. This is 2 hour time frame. I think 2 hours sometimes time frame. It's a perfect time frame sometimes because it's in between 4 hour and 1 hour. So or even 3 hour time frame is also the same. So these are the structures that we drawn like last week. You can see that we had a very nice resistance. Now that resistance, the market came here and respected. Even now the market is here again and is trying to respect it. So it means this area is now our support. It's possible that the market can push higher from this area, you see. So it's a very good thing to see, or a very simple thing to see. So here is a resistance. You can see the market is rejecting around that area. Here it's a support where the market is respecting. So we expect the market to move like this until uh, we see any changes. But at the moment, everything is quite nice. Unless if maybe we see the market breaking this area, we can say now the market is going back again. It means we can say, okay, maybe we are back around this resistance. But if it breaks, we will have to wait for the market to show us another new structure, whether it's going to respect the previous one here, or maybe it's starting to form the new structure that we never seen, because these ones, they are the old ones. Sometimes the market won't respect that forever, you see. But since we are here, we just bought here, so I don't know if it will respect this, but we already bought. So if it respect that, it's fine. We will be in a very nice profit. If not, it's also fine. We're going to just pay that. It's still Monday, so I hope the market maybe can respect this area and push up. You see, that's what I think. If not, maybe we'll see another breakout. But please wait for maybe for a retest and say maybe the market is now pushing lower. Let's see. I think I bought. Yeah, I think I bought somewhere here. Yeah, but maybe let's say we can also draw something like this. Let's see, something like that, and say maybe no, it doesn't. I'll be forcing it. Let's see. And say okay, yeah, but I did the right thing. Actually, if the market breaks this resistance, break this resistance here, you can say okay, you can add another buy around this area, but we are still on that support and still fresh, so we expect the market maybe to push higher, you see, something like that. So let's see what we can get on gold. Gold was also pushing higher last week, but today it seems like it's now trying to push a little bit lower, just to cover whatever that happened last week. But the move last week was like bit crazy, was like a very strong bullish momentum. So yeah, what do we see on gold? I think since it's Monday, I don't think maybe there's much that we can see, but let's just use maybe 1 hour time frame. If you missed my daily analysis, please, I mean my weekly analysis, you can go back, try to check that. So if you check that, is fine. So what do we see? What I see is, guys, you can see that we still had this resistance. So after that, we had a breakout, retest, we bought, we are still in profit. But what do we expect now? Obviously, you can just expect the market to push higher like that. The market has to go lower, higher, lower, higher. You see, so if you are in position, you can just lock your positions and know that okay, the market can just go up and down. Even though sometimes the opposite might happen, then you sometimes the market can still go lower, but most of the time you should know that the market won't just go straight. So the market will create something like this. So we really welcome maybe a small sell-off or whatever, as long as the market is moving in waves. So that's how the market will move. So at the moment, what do we see? We see that okay, after that crazy bullish momentum, we see now the market is trying. Let me. We see that now the market is creating something. Maybe let me draw something. I don't know if that will make sense. Let's draw some. Yeah, something like that. Let me remove these ones. They've been here for some time now. So what do we see? We see that okay, if the market really, and we can see the market is respecting this area consolidation. Maybe now it's back. We can see maybe the market pushing up again. You see, so if it's broken, it means we just have to wait, because since we've broken out of this resistance here, it means we can't say now it's bearish immediately. We can just wait and see if maybe the market will respect this area, or maybe there's something like that. You see, but at the moment we are still bullish because we are still above our support line. You see, so then we hope that we think that the market can push higher. You see, that's what I think today. So let's see what we can expect. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So let me show you the special that we had. You can see here is 20. It was $35, now it's $20 for only 20 people. This is the system that is going to just give you the signals. It's not a robot. The robot, it's like the robot is $100 at the moment. It's still $100. So this is the system. It's a manual system which will just show you the signals to buy or to sell, and it can also send those signals on your smartphone so that you don't miss any signal. So I hope people they will join this, because I think $20 is way too affordable. Taking it from 50 to 35 to 20, so I don't think maybe you'll expect anything less than this. See, so but since people that are buying this, don't expect that this limited number will stay the same until so few people left to join the team. So let's see what we can expect on US oil. Oh, US oil, it's selling, so I hope it's a respect. Yo, it's a selling. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So since you, I can say you watched my yesterday's video, so I have talked about anything, everything that you wanted to know, or maybe if you never you don't understand, because I'm not going to explain everything here, since I explained that yesterday. Let me remove this. So what do we see here? We see that okay, the market is like firstly the market was just going, come on man, the market was, let's go up. Okay, the market was like going lower, like a very strong bearish momentum. Then we just reached our support. Then from our support, look what happened. The market respected the support. This is a very strong support, respected that. But when we go up, we realize that we still have an area where when we try to connect makes a resistance. You see, so from that resistance, if you still remember, we drawn this resistance for some time now. So look what happened. The market is now respecting that, it's going lower. It means we can have a very nice buy trades around this area. So let's just wait for the market to reach this area. Sometimes the market won't reach at the support exactly, but maybe as long if it's around this zone, it's much better, because if we get it here, but firstly we just have to wait for it to close the candles, to do everything, to show us everything. Actually, we don't jump on the market before the market shows us something, you see. So from this, I think it's a very nice wedge. I think after this, maybe the market will just consolidate between this before we see a breakout, maybe going up, or maybe breakout like going lower, you see. So that's what we see at the moment. So what can you do today? Just wait for it to reach these levels. Around this level is where you can say, now I'm getting ready to buy. But don't just jump, because the market, it's possible that the market can just still drop before going, I mean, it can still break this area if you can just jump. So the best thing is wait for it to break. Maybe you can say smaller retest, maybe we can now sell. But still this structure can make sense if, just imagine there, if the market is creating something like this. So it means this resistance can also mean something like that. But since we did not break this area, at the moment we call it a wedge. But if this wedge is broken, now this structure, we can say this structure is now creating some very nice downtrend momentum. You see, if maybe we connect, maybe something like that will still make sense, but it's not really necessary to draw a support where it's like a downtrend, because actually we will be looking at the lower highs where we supposed to sell, you see. So we're not going to buy. So why are we trying to draw this? So we don't have to draw that. You can draw, but that doesn't mean maybe you have to take the buy position, because this is a downtrend. So it means you can just buy, then the market keep going lower. So it's easy to lose when you buy on a downtrend, you see. So I think maybe you can understand what I'm talking about. If it's not respected, we can expect a sell-off. If it's respected, we can expect the market to go up. But maybe this can be respected again, and maybe we'll create something like a consolidating or ranging, or maybe a breakout. So we just have to wait for the market to show us those things. We don't have to guess and say this will happen. No, wait for the market to break. If it doesn't break, wait for the market to respect. You will see some bullish candlesticks, maybe 2 to 3 on a 15 minutes time frame. Then you take them. You see, when I say bullish candlestick, the first one is here, then you see the third one, then you enter, then the market just goes up. It's something like that. So let's go straight to Euro USD. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to be in my group, it's still $25 to join my VIP group. You see, so let's go straight to Euro USD. Euro USD is trying to sell off, guys. Let's see. Remember what I said. We are still on a bearish momentum. So where we expect the market to go lower. You see. So, and that's happened. The market is going low, but around this, you can see that the market is trying to push up again. But remember, where I told people, if you buy here, remember that the market can still respect this area and keep going lower. So if you want to buy here, just know that we still have a very strong resistance where the market, once the market touch that, just drops, you see. So just, you should like know that before you do anything here. So the best thing that you can do is to just sell Euro USD. Don't just jump on the market and try to buy, because there is where you're going to invite some losses. So what do we see here? I don't see much on Euro USD. I see that we are very close to our resistance. So if it pushes higher, we will just wait for it maybe to say if it's going to break this area or not. But with this type of downtrend or bearish momentum, I think maybe the market is now trying to change the direction. Maybe the market can break and push up because it's been selling for some time now, you see. So thanks guys. I don't think maybe there's much that I can tell you. You just have to wait for this to reach this area or to break. To reach the resistance or to break the resistance. If it respects here, it means the market will keep going lower. If not, the market will break. But here is not a good time to do anything. Don't buy, don't sell. Just wait for the market to give you the signals, right? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to talk to me, I hope you can go back, check my my intro, or if maybe you can't do that, go on my description. You will find my contacts. You can WhatsApp me or Telegram me if you want to be in my groups. If you want the robot, it's $100. If you want the system, it's on special for only 20 people. It's $20, guys. If you miss this one, then it's up to you. It's fine. So yeah, let's call it a day. I will see you tomorrow. This is Kenzo Extra Forex Bound.